Got a kiddo who seems to catch every cold? Vitamin C to the rescue. Vitamin C is a superstar when it comes to boosting your child's immune system. It helps fight off those pesky colds and keeps their body running smoothly. But did you know you don't need supplements to get enough vitamin C? Some of the best sources are right in your kitchen. Oranges and strawberries are obvious choices, but don't forget about kiwis, bell peppers, and even broccoli. These foods are packed with vitamin C and are super easy to add to meals and snacks. Try blending a smoothie with oranges and strawberries, or add colorful bell peppers to their lunchbox. And who knew broccoli could be so powerful, right? So next time you're at the grocery store, load up on these vitamin C-rich foods. Your kids will thank you with fewer sick days and more energy for their favorite activities. Stay healthy and happy munching.